Hi guys, this is Ryan from the Private Banking Forum. This is just a video on how to install all my indicators and replicate my workspace. This is my first attempt at this, and I've been spending the last week trying to figure out a way to keep this as simple as possible for everybody. So bear with me on this first attempt. Hopefully it will run smoothly and we will have no troubles. So first of all, I'm assuming that you have downloaded the mini banker indicator zip file. So once you have you've got the indicator zip file, just keep that handy. I want you to be connected to NinjaTrader. Oh, sorry, I want you to have NinjaTrader open, but I want you to be disconnected. Once you're disconnected, just make sure that you've got no workspaces open. So if you go to workspaces and just make sure you've got no workspaces open. You all have to have one workspace open, but I mean just your main workspaces. I mean I have let me just show you quickly. I have a United 1 file which I've actually given you, so just make sure you've got a blank workspace open because otherwise NinjaTrader will not, it will give you a fault basically. So once you're at this stage, I want you to go into your NinjaTrader file. So if you go into Documents, this is where NinjaTrader 7 should be. So if you go into Documents, NinjaTrader 7, and what I want you to do is I want you to back up 3 file locations, just in case we do have any problems with what I'm going to get you to do. And obviously I don't want you to be angry with me because I've messed up your NinjaTrader. So what I'm going to make you do is to back up these 3 files first. So if anything does go wrong, we can just restore these files and everything will be back as it was. So first of all, if you go into Bin, Custom, Indicators. So make sure you're in Indicators. These are your indicator files. So copy this folder and put it on your desktop. So Indicator, so in Documents, NinjaTrader 7, Bin, Custom, and then copy Indicator. Then go into Documents, NinjaTrader 7, Workspaces. So Workspaces, copy your workspace folder. So copy, paste into your desktop. And again, do this for templates and chart. So if you go into NinjaTrader 7, templates, chart, these are your chart templates. I want you to back them up, so copy them onto your desktop. So now we've got the 3 files that we're going to be adding into NinjaTrader to replicate my workspace. So now what I want you to do is open up the zip file that I've given you, the mini banker indicators. So once this is open, just open up the main file and you've got chart templates, indicators, workspaces and 2 images. So what I want you to do first is go back to NinjaTrader and find the indicator section. So I want you to go to Bin, Custom, Indicator, and then on the files you have that I've presented you, you go to Indicators, you select all indicators and you drag them over and copy them into your NinjaTrader indicator file. And what you will get is you'll get files that you have already got. This is fine. So what I want you to do is click do this for the next 141 conflicts or how many you have, and click move and replace, and that will move all the files over into your NinjaTrader. I then want you to go to workspaces on the file that I've given you with my chart templates and software, and again go back to NinjaTrader and find this file. So go to workspaces, copy over my workspaces into your workspaces, and then I want you to do the same for templates. So go to chart and copy over my chart templates. Just copy them all over. So now you've got my chart templates that I use for each chart, you have my indicators, and you have my custom workspaces that I have set up for my trading. So once you have added all the correct files into NinjaTrader, I need you to go into the NinjaTrader Control Center, you press Tools, you go to Edit NinjaScript, Tools, edit Ninja script and indicators. This will bring up all the custom files for your current indicators and my current indicators that I've just given you. And what I need you to do is click on any file, any one of these files. So let's go to current week view app. So you just wait for NinjaTrader to build the file. It'll just take a few moments. I'll pause the video while this happens. Okay. So this is the file that it generates, and what I want you to do is press compile. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the 5th one in from the right. And you press it. It says compile. You press that, and it will compile all the new indicators into your into NinjaTrader. If there's an error here, you'll get error messages. And thinking about this, if you have any errors, what I need you to do is get in touch with me for the moment, or if you're pretty computer smart, what you can do is just restore all the custom files, indicators, chart, templates and workspaces that we just went through, and then what you'll need to do is to compile it again, and you'll be restored back to factory restart on NinjaTrader. But again, if you have any problems with this, get in contact with me and I will help you restore this problem. This shouldn't happen, but worst case scenario. Now you have compiled the indicators and you have no errors, you can close the indicator file and you can now connect to the NinjaTrader. It's important you connect, so you load data. Now you're connected to NinjaTrader, I need you to do two things. I need you to go back into the files that I've given you and load the two images that I've given. First of all is going to be the ES template manager. So this is a custom template that I have set up for the ES outcry session I use in my templates. And if you do not load these up, you will not get the correct times on the ES outcry RTH session charts. So this is simple. You go to Tools, Session Manager, you press New, you call it ES outcry, and press OK. And once that is done, you need to replicate the times. So start Monday, end date this time. Make sure you've got all the times correct, the AMs, the PMs, and you've got your correct time zone selected. Now you've done this, can you select the second file, second image in the file, which would be Workspace Quick Change. This is just a quick thing that I've discovered. I mean, it's pretty simple. So what you need to do is go to, again, Tools, Hotkey Manager, you go to Global and configure next workspace and previous workspace to control left and control right. Once you've done this, just save and close, or just press OK and close, and now you should be fully configured to load my workspace. So first of all, you've already got the default workspace open. I want you to go in and open the crude oil market profile mini banker form template. It's going to take a while for this to first load data. I've got on the higher time frame charts that I look at a lot of data. Only on the higher time frame. All the smaller time frames I've got the correct days to reflect the amount of data that we need on the charts. Once you've loaded data, it should load up all of the chart templates. What I have done, because I have got a 4-screen setup and your computer will not be configured the same as mine, so what will happen is if you load my workspace with my 4-chart setup, it will just be a mess and you won't be able to find the charts. So what I've done is I've loaded all my charts onto one screen. It's loaded on the wrong screen for me because I've moved my chart my control center over and I'm recording on a separate screen. But it will load up all the charts just in a big mess like this. But it will load all of the charts up with my analysis on and with all my indicators configured. So what you can do now is you have all my custom indicators that I use for this setup. You have all the templates that I use. So if you go to templates, load, you have all the templates. So ES, RTH composite, Market Profile CL. You'll only be able to use my Market Profile software if you have the final Algo TPO software that I use. Everything else will work apart from the Market Profile software. Obviously you've got ETH VWAP, ETH VWAP CL, ES. It's quite self-explanatory, and I've tried to make this pretty simple to understand. Again, you can rename these and you can do whatever you like with them. The cool trick that I've done is with the control left or right is if you have got NinjaTrader selected, if you press control left and right on your keyboard, you'll be able to flick workspaces. I've only got one workspace open at the minute, but when you have all three workspaces open, so you have United 1, CL Market Profile and ES Market Profile, you'll be able to switch between workspaces by holding control left and right. One more thing I want you to check is when you load the ES workspace up, if you go into data and just make sure that it's loaded the ES Outcry session template on the RTH charts. Hopefully this will go all smoothly and you'll be able to replicate my workspace on your screens how you like. I will also add into the file images of my two workspaces that I am using, so you can try replicate how I've set my charts up. Anyway, I hope this runs smoothly and we don't have any problems, and I hope it helps you guys out. Thank you very much. Bye.